Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will start with chapter number 12, Smart Chart, session 2. Hot and cold. Have you seen the weather report on TV or in a newspaper? I'm sure that you must have seen. These are two bar chart. This show the highest temperature in degree Celsius in 4 cities on 2 different days. The cities are Delhi, Shimla, Bangalore and Jaisalmer. Find out from the bar chart. Which city is the hottest on 1st June? So on your left side, bar graph is given for the different temperatures of the cities on 1st June. So out of which you can see that Delhi is 33 degrees Celsius, Shimla is 22 degrees Celsius, Bangalore is 28 degrees Celsius and Jaisalmer is 38 degrees Celsius. So Jaisalmer has the maximum temperature. So we find from the bar chart that Jaisalmer has the maximum temperature of 38 degrees Celsius on 1st June. Thus Jaisalmer is the hottest city on 1st June. Which city is the coldest on 1st December? So on the right side you can see bar graph of 1st December. So in that you can see Delhi is 23 degrees Celsius, Shimla is 10 degrees Celsius, Bangalore is 24 degrees Celsius and Jaisalmer is 25 degrees Celsius, out of which Shimla has minimum temperature. It means it is the coldest. So we will write like this. We find from the bar chart that Shimla has the minimum temperature of 10 degrees Celsius on 1st December. Thus Shimla is the coldest city on 1st December. Which city shows little change in temperature on 2 days, 1st June and 1st December? So on comparing all the cities, we can see that Bangalore on 1st June is 28 degrees Celsius and on 1st December it is 24 degrees Celsius. So Bangalore is the city which shows the little change in temperature, that is 28 degree minus 24 degrees, that is equals to 4 degrees Celsius. Try yourself. On any one day, choose any 3 cities and record their temperature from the TV or newspaper. Make a bar chart in your notebook and ask your friends a few questions about it. See if they understand your chart. So this you have to do it by yourself only. Rabbits in Australia. Earlier, there were no rabbits in Australia. Rabbits were brought to Australia around the year 1780. At that time, there were no animals in Australia which ate rabbits. So the rabbits begins to multiply at a very fast rate. Imagine what they did to the crops. The table shows how rabbit grew every year. After each year, the number of rabbit was option A, a little less than double the number of rabbits in the last year. Option B, double the number in the last year. Option C, 8 more than the number in the last year. Option D, more than double the number of the rabbits in the last year. So the right answer is a little less than double the number of rabbits in the last year. At the end of year 6, the number of rabbit was close to. So here you can see in the starting it was 10, first year it was 18, second year 32, third year 58, fourth year 105. In the 5th year approximately it would be 208, and that is 208, and in the 6th year it would be 410 or approximately 410. So at the end of the year 6, the number of rabbit was close to, it would be close to 400. So next question, after which year did the number of rabbit cross 1000? So in the 7th year it would be around 800, 8th year it would be 1600. So in the 8th year will be the answer. So answer will be after 8 years the number of rabbit will cross 1000. Thus after the year 1788 the number of rabbits will cross 1000. Family tree. Madhav went to a wedding along with his parents. He met many relatives there, but he didn't know everyone. He met his mother's grandfather, but found that her grandmother is not alive. He also found that her dadi's mother, grandmother's mother, is still alive and is more than 100 years old. Madhav got confused. He couldn't imagine his mother's grandmother's mother. So Madhav's mother made a family tree for him. So this is the family tree. You can see different generations: Madhav, his parents, his grandparents, his great grandparents, and his great great grandparents. Madhav's mother helped him understand her family with the help of this drawing. You can also find out about your older generations using such a family tree. This you will do it on your own. So next question that answer these questions: how many grandparents in all does Shobna have? Right, Shobna is Madhav's mother. So here we can see the grandparents of Shobna: 1, 2, 3 and 4. So Shobna has 4 grandparents. How many great great grandparents in all does Madhav have? So here is the Madhav, and great great grandparents are in 5th generation. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So Madhav has 8 great great grandparents in all. How many elders will be in the 7th generation of his family? So this is, we are talking about his maternal family, right? So in the 7th generation, so we can see that number of members in 3rd generation of Madhav's family are 2. 3rd generation are 2. In the 4th generation, number of members in 4th generation of Madhav's family is 2 into 2, 4. Number of members in 5th generation of Madhav families is equals to 4 into 2 equals to 8. And number of members in the 6th generation of Madhav's family is 8 into 2, 16. And number of members in 7th generation of Madhav's family will be 16 into 2, that is equals to 32. Thus there would be 32 elders in the 7th generation of Madhav's family. If he takes his family tree forward, in which generation will he find 128 elders? So number of members in 7th generation, just we have found out that it is 32. So number of members in 8th generation of Madhav's family will be 32 into 2, 64, and number of members in the 9th generation of Madhav's family is equals to 64 into 2, that is equals to 128. So thus in the 9th generation, number of elders in Madhav's family will be 128. Growth chart of a plant. Amit sowed a few seeds of moong dal in the ground. The height of the plant grew 1.4 centimeter in the first 4 days. After that, it started growing faster. Amit measured the height of the plant after every 4 days and put a dot on the chart. For example, if you look at the dot marked on the 4th day, you can see the left side scale that it is 1.4 centimeter high. That we will see. First let us see on the day 0, the length of the plant was 0. On the 4th day it was 1.4 centimeter. On the 8th day it was 5.3 centimeter. On the 12th day it was 9.5. 16th day it was 10.2 centimeter, and on the 20th day it was 10.9 centimeter. So let us mark on it. See, on day 0 it was 0, right? So now look at the height of each dot, right? Let us mark first. So on the day 0 it was 0. On the 4th day it was between 1 and 2. Then on 8th day, then on 12th day, 16th day and 20th day. So these are dot marked correctly, right? On the left side you can see the length of plant. So this is dot chart. So find out from the growth chart between which days the length of the plant change the most? So here you can see between 8 to 12 days, right? So the answer is 8 to 12 days. It changed the most. What could be the length of this plant on the 14th day? Guess. We have to just make a guess. So here at the bottom you can see 12 and 16th day. The measurement is given for the 12th and 16th day. So it would be somewhere between here, right? So 9 below, just below 10. So it would be around 9.9 centimeter. Will the plant keep growing all the time? No, it will not keep growing all the time. So what will be its length on the 100th day? Make a guess. So we have up to 20 days. So this is just a guess. So I think its length would be about 17 to 18 centimeter on the 100th day. Your answer could be different from my answer. So you can write your own answer also. That is also correct. So if you like the video, please hit the like button. And if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.